everyone, happy hump day. It's me, Scoops, and thank you for coming back to my channel. Hi old subscriber, hi new subscribers, thank you for coming back. Happy Pride vibes over here. I'm loving this look. It was simple to do and I try to make it wearable because you know I don't be doing all these colors. So if you want to learn how to get this look, keep on watching. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you again. So please subscribe. And if you love this look and you want to share it, please share it. I don't mind. You know, I don't mind. Share, please. So without further ado, let's get to this clip. But yeah, I'm excited about this. We're going to get into all these yummy, yummy colors. I'm definitely coming to you with this Zulu palette, okay, by Juvia's Place. Gotta get into that. And of course, my Morphe 335B. Of course. What do you mean? What do you mean? What's up? So we're going to get into that. My face is already beat down. I'm baking with this new baking stuff. I got it on Amazon. I believe it's RCMA or I don't know where it's at, but it's white and that's why you see this white stuff. It supposedly says that, you know, there's not going to be any color once I dust it off. It's just like flash proof, so I'm definitely, you know, trying to get into that. Let's see what that's all about. So yeah, without all my jibber jabber, because I know you guys love my jibber jabber, let's get into this look. I'm gonna set my eyes with my Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Creamy Beige. And this time I will not be setting it. I'm just going to dab it on there. Going into the Zulu palette, and I'm taking this bright yellow and I'm going to kick that off with my crease. Make sure you're tapping off excess. I did not set my concealer on my eyes because I really want these colors to really pop out. So yeah. And you really want to blend it out. Take your time. And when it comes to blending, if you notice, I started in the outside and then work my way inward. Don't be trying to put that bright colors in front and then try to blend it out and then come to me talking about, well, I still don't know how to push it. No. Okay. Start in the back and work to the front. Okay? That's not cute. That's not cute. Okay? Alright. I'm going to put this orange right here. Okay? Above the crease, but not covering up the yellow too much. If that makes sense. Still going in with that fluffy brush. Alright, so let's get into it. So we're going to put it right here. Not on the crease, not in here, but like on top. Okay. Right there. Yeah. Different fluffy brush, I'm gonna go back into that yellow and put, you know, it just got a little long. That yellow got a little long, so I'm just gonna put a little like that, just not too crazy. But blending, you really want the colors to be like seamless. You don't want to be able to tell where your yellows start and where your orange start, or whatever color that you choose to start with. You do not want to be able to see when those colors start. Alright? That's it. And you're gonna blend. You're gonna be blending for a little bit. Take your time. There is no rush. It's a process. Yes. This magic palette from Juvia's place, and I'm gonna go into this red right here. This is my Morphe M222, and yeah, so I'm gonna get some of that. Get some of that. All right, so I want it to be in the crease, more of on the outer crease. So I want this red to really pop at the end on the crease. Okay? So you're gonna put that right there. Really work it in. Work it in. I have 2 circles on the outside. And then just like that. And blend that bad boy out. Oh God. I'm gonna take this orange and blend this red out. Then go back into that red. But make sure you blend it out. Going back with that fluffy brush. I just wanted to brag on my blending job. Okay, so this is how you want it to look. You want the yellow to fade into the orange and the orange to fade into the red. You see how it's just fading into it. That's what you want. Stop looking at my eyebrow hairs. Okay, like I'm going to get them done soon. Anyways, okay, so with this cut crease, I'm gonna keep y'all in. With this cut crease, you really want to take your time. You see how my eyes are like perfect for cut creases, because it's just like this right here, under here, right here. This is where you want that cut crease, right here. Okay, so watch me work. Oh, and I'm using a Morphe M416. This is a really small brush. You want to get into, okay, my little pale hands is not, let me use this. Okay. Ooh. You see how small this brush is? I like to use a brush like this. It gives you more control. That's my preference. Alright, let's do it. Okay, don't blink. Put that gold right here. And just set it in there. Oh! Yes! Okay, this is like my first cut crease on camera since that tragedy. Alright, so now like we looking like a fairy princess. And ooh, came through. Yes. That's cute. Look at that gold. I am forever doing something with gold. I know. I love gold. I love it. Okay, going back into that red with this pencil brush. It's a little pencil brush. I'm going to go into that red and blend this out. So you really want to take your time with this one. Be really gentle. And I'm only focusing on that outside. To put that red. That's the only part that I'm focusing on. And just blend it out very softly. Going back into that brush that has orange on it. I'm not taking any more orange. I'm just whatever's on here and blend it out. Okay. So going back into that gold. I'm just putting it back on there. I am putting some of the what is this? Some of the red on here. Also with this brush, I'm going to put some of that orange right there too. I just want it to be like seamless, you know? And going back into that gold. And then, you know, that's cute. That's cute. We want this gold. Yes. Okay, I'm so happy I kept that powder on because it's a lot of fallout going on. Okay, so the first color I'm going to go into from the Magic by Juvia's Place is this shimmery green. Taking this angle brush. And I'm really going to focus it on the beginning of my eyes. That's definitely giving me fiesta vibes. I'm vibing right now. So I'm going to take this one right here with this flat brush and get into the vibes. And put it like on top of the green. Like right there, and really blend them out. Everything is about blending. That same brush, I'm gonna wipe it off, wipe some of that blue off, and then I'm going into this dark purple, which is right here. And put it on top of there, you know, make it seamless. Should I bring you guys closer? Yeah, bring you guys. But you see how I'm blending it into the blue, but the blue is like, you know, still there. It's like there, like what's up. If it get a little lost, you can put some more. Absolutely. All right, that's super freaking cute. Wow. Definitely gotta go with a pink. I love a fuchsia pink. This is my Morphe M332, and I'm gonna take that fuchsia pink, really bright color, and then I'm gonna put it on the outside. I don't know if I want to use this brush. I'm gonna use it. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I'm living. I want that red to get lost, so I'm going back into my red and I'm going to put it on top of that. But I don't want my red to get lost. my goodness. This is life right now. This is my life right now. And then, you know, when you have that powder under there, you can just wipe it off. That's the great thing about having that powder, because if you didn't, ooh, you would have had to be angry, because I'm going to tell you.